Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make two columns in one page in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software. Now we can see here many pages included text etc. Now you want to make two columns in one page. Go to the layout menu, select the margin and columns option. Then we can see here our window. Now we go to the column section and make the column 2 and click OK. Then we can see the page is 2 column page. Now I am decrease the size of my text box. Then we copy the text box and adjust in 2 column 2 text box. Now we can see here we make 2 column to this page very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.